Dr. A, and I'm a clinical psychologist aiming to make your life just a bit more manageable. Remember, the tools and the tidbits that you pick up on this channel are purely educational. They can't replace therapy, but with some practice, they can help you along in your daily life. So let's get started. If you've been enjoying the content that I've been posting, if you've been enjoying the videos and practicing with them and finding them helpful, then please subscribe and comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and I love to watch our community grow. So let's do it together. I hope that from last week you guys had a lot of firsts that you noticed, maybe over the weekend or little firsts during the week. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch the last video. We talked about how to bring that youthful energy into our lives from here until forever. So like I said, comment on the last video if you guys did have some firsts. I'm so curious to hear what those are, and maybe I could incorporate it into my own life too. So let's share with each other. Today, we are taking a turn from this happy-go-lucky firsts and youthful spirit to an emotion that I find icky, which is jealousy. But look, if it survived evolution, if we still have the emotion and other people are jealous and we're jealous from time to time, then that means it serves a purpose. It serves a purpose, and we have to make friends with it and figure out how to actually use it for good. Because there is a way that we could take this ick factor out of jealousy and actually use it for our benefit and to level up in our lives. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that. I don't know if you guys notice, but we are never jealous of something that we don't care about. And that is very, very important. So if somebody gets a brand new pickup truck and it is the nicest pickup truck with all this cool technology and all these cool features, there is not 1 ounce of me that I would be jealous about that. Why? Because I never wanted a pickup truck. It's not interesting to me. It's not for me. But somebody who does love pickup trucks might feel some jealousy, which tells them, okay, I love pickup trucks and maybe I want one, right? Somebody who tells me they went on vacation to the mountains and they took hikes and they showed me pictures and I think it's absolutely stunning. I would be so happy for them, but it wouldn't be mixed in with jealousy. As opposed to, because hiking's not my thing, mountains aren't my thing, I love to be by water. Please get me next to the nearest body of water, whether it's a fountain, a lake, a pool, the ocean. That makes me happy. So if somebody said to me, you know, we went to Bora Bora or somewhere in the Caribbean, St. Thomas, okay. Now I would be so happy for them, but I would be a teensy bit jealous because I want to be in Bora Bora and I want to be by the beautiful water swimming and looking out and all of that good stuff. So that is a very, very important principle that we are going to use when we think about jealousy. We are only jealous of the things that we want, that we feel pulled toward or we need. And why is that important? Because as with every other emotion, jealousy gives us information, right? Sadness exists for a reason. It makes us know that we're mourning something or we're missing something, right? We're grieving something, a lot of different things, but it is informative. Happiness, love, that is giving us information as well. Let's have more of this. We love this. Let's have more of this. Jealousy is also informative. Let's use it that way. Instead of feeling grossed out by ourselves when we're feeling jealousy or kind of feeling a little weird about it, oh man, like I'm feeling jealous, instead, take it and tell yourself, this is information. And what is the information telling me? Well, let's see. If I am jealous that somebody went on vacation or somebody's getting a day off from work and I feel jealous, I could take that and say, what is the information that I'm receiving here? Well, the information is my body needs rest. I need rest. Or I feel a little bored right now and I want to go on an adventure. And that might look different ways, right? That might look like, you know what? I'm also going to take a day off of work That might look like I'm gonna go and take a day trip somewhere and spend all day and feel like I really got away, right? It might look like let's have a weekend somewhere because I need a refresher, because not everybody can pick up and leave for a week. But it gave you information of what your body and your mind is needing, and you can take that seriously and use that information, right? Let's say somebody is got a new job. Like right now, I don't want a new job. I'm happy where I am. I'm happy working with my patients, doing videos for you guys. I'm happy with it. So if somebody said I got a new job, I wouldn't be jealous at all. But if somebody says I got a new job with this great pay raise and all this kind of stuff, and you're feeling a little jealous, just take it as information and say, am I really happy at the position I am now? And am I happy what I'm doing? Do I feel like I deserve a raise? Is that possible in this job? Or have I reached the very top? Is it time to maybe browse and look for another position? Right? So that is how we are going to start to look at jealousy. We are going to start to look at jealousy instead of something that has spikes on the outside of it, as instead something that has arrows pointing at something. It is telling you what you need and what you want, and you absolutely have the agency in your life to say, okay, now that I have this information, now I can do something about it, because you can. You always can. You are never stuck. There's almost no such thing as a dead end. So don't go through your life acting that way. There's no such thing as a dead end. So let's use jealousy for information. Why not? We took something that's very icky and we made it something that is gonna level us up in our lives. Okay? Give it a whirl. The next time you feel jealousy, have me like a bobblehead on your shoulder, being like, okay, what is this telling me that I want or need? And then do something about it. You got this. See you guys next time.